the smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter Convertible 3-in-1 Refrigerator. It comes in 14 different colorways. Saffron red, refined inox, elegant inox, real stainless, pebble blue, black inox, camellia black, camellia blue, camellia purple, luxe brown, rhythmic twirl blue, rhythmic twirl red, wave blue, and wave steel. It is available in 253 liters and 275 liters. And it is 2-star, 3-star rated for energy saving. It features modern design, convertible 3-in-1, digital inverter technology, and all-around cooling system. The stylish handle is designed to lend a touch of glamour to your interiors, and at the same time adds to your convenience. Convertible 3-in-1. The ultimate in flexible storage. Simply convert your freezer into a fridge with just a touch of a button. It'll provide you with more fridge space to store fresh foods in different seasons and for special occasions. Our digital inverter compressor runs at 7 different speeds for various situations. Even at night, Samsung DID is super quiet while preserving minimum operation. Smart technology that changes your life. Its all-around cooling system cools the fridge evenly from corner to corner and maintains a constant temperature, with cold air blown out through multiple outlets on every shelf level. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Convertible 3-in-1 Refrigerator.